Welcome, guys, to the review of Nissan Kicks XB Petrol Bronze Grey. It's a 1500cc car with 105 bhp. Look how cool the car looks with the 17-inch alloys and a stunning rear look. And that's the steering wheel of the Nissan Kicks. Quite dynamic and a very good road presence with a 210m ground clearance. Let's go inside the car and look at the interiors. It's a very well spaced out cabin with all four power windows, and it is a very dynamic car with a 7-inch touchscreen with rear view camera and quite spacious inside, which can easily accommodate 5 adults, two in the front and three in the rear seats. And that's a boot which can easily accommodate 4 to 5 medium size luggages. And let's look at the rear seat with a rear armrest and a rear AC. A very cool and comfortable car for a family.